How do you highlight the 5 most recent dates? We have dates here in the E column. Your column may be a different column. We have all dates, and we want to know what are the 5 most recent ones. I'm going to select the E column, go to Format, Conditional Formatting, and here we're going to change the format. Custom formula is. Now, I want to be very careful about dates and only include E2 to E49. That is the entire sheet here. And I'm going to equals rank E2, comma. Now, important here to have $ E2 colon E49 and also add $ in front of the 2 and the 49 in parentheses, and we're going to have less than or equal to 5 because this will rank them from 1 through however many there are, and we want the lower number 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. Now let's check this. We have some highlighted cells. We have 5 highlighted cells. But what if we have some duplicates? Because we will want to highlight more than 5. So let's copy and paste some of these. Now we have only 5 ranked. The very first one is going to be ranked 1. Then the next 2 are going to be ranked 2 and 3. These will both be 4. Then the next one will be 6. To get unique dates, we're going to do E2 is greater than or equal to large, unique, and here we need $E, $2, colon, $E, $49, in parentheses, comma, 5, end parentheses. And now this is going to include 7 items, but it's the 5 unique dates. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.